It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.